Among the most crucial things in addiction treatment and recovery are drug rehab platforms. These are places that you are able to go to in order to get assistance for your drug addiction. Drug rehabs are going to supply you with places that you are able to go and remain while you get sober. These are great for you as there's no way to get drugs in drug rehabs, and so you've no alternative but to get sober in one of these places. There are medical individuals on staff in drug rehabs, so that while you're undergoing withdrawals, they may be on hand to assist you through it, and to make certain that your body is going to be able to come through eliminating your drugs. They may help you in a lot of different ways, and you are able to feel secure and safe about checking into drug rehabs, as they won't let anything happen to you when you're going to get the substances out of your system. Drug rehabs are crucial to your recovery, as they allow you to stride away from your life for a little while and center on merely becoming better. You won't have to fret about the everyday tensions of your life for a while, and you are able to center all of your energy on merely coming through your drug dependency. This is really helpful for many individuals, as it lets them be able to view their lives from the exterior, and there are occasionally matters that they're able to see about their lives while they're in treatment that they would not differently be able to see if they weren't in treatment. Substance rehabs are likewise crucial to drug dependency recovery, as they'll provide you the tools and the means to work out why you're addicted to substances. First of all, you're going to be able to make batches of different decisions about why you turned to substances, and through these conclusions you're going to be able to work out what it was that made you need to become a substance addict, or what guided to your drug dependency. You'll be able to realize these matters in your life, so that when you're no longer in treatment and you have to contend with these same topics, you'll be able to make more beneficial decisions and ward off the traps that might lead to retrogressing into substance abuse. Drug rehabs provide individuals the tools that they require to deal with the emotions that may commonly lead to substance abuse. If an addiction recovery individual may learn how to deal with tension and emotions like rage and sorrow without utilizing drugs, then when they're in recovery and are confronted with these same emotions, they'll be better able to address them. It's really crucial that an individual becomes cognizant of different methods to deal with these emotions, as it's frequently these emotions that lead individuals back to drug abuse, even after recovery. Drug rehabs are likewise going to bear services for loved ones and friends of individuals with substance addictions. There are going to be meetings that loved ones and friends may attend, in which they'll hear all about what their loved one is experiencing, and they'll likewise learn ways to cope with their loved one and how to support them when they're in recovery. These meetings are really crucial to recovery, as it's frequently deficiency of support that leads somebody back to substance abuse. Drug rehabs will likewise bear out patient services that you yourself may go to while you're in recovery. These meetings and counseling sessions become really crucial in order to keep you clean and sober, as they're places that will supply you with the support that you require. How to back up recovery. Support yourself first of all. Support and love from loved ones and friends is a vital part of the recovery process. Support for the loved ones and friends of the recovering addict is of like importance. That's why addiction groups have developed to help outsiders comprehend the addiction and how best to back up the recovery process. It's crucial for them to comprehend that they're not at fault for their acquaintance or loved one's addiction. Step in. Frequently, the support of friends and loved ones is most required during the beginning step of the recovery stage, admitting there's an issue and seeking professional help. This may take the form of an intervention, where friends and loved ones get together to present a unified presence of love and concern for the addict in a non-confrontational fashion. This procedure may likewise take the form of appealing from loved ones, or even ultimatums, if the state of affairs gets bad enough. Read everything you are able to on addiction and the recovery process. This will advance your understanding of what the patient is going through in detox, counseling, and treatment. It will likewise help you comprehend best how to offer support during the aftercare stage, after release from the recovery treatment center. Don't label, don't enable. Never quit expressing your trust in the patient's power to recover from an addiction. At the same time, be steadfast and let them understand you care enough to hold them accountable. You are able to do this in a non-judgmental, loving fashion. Abstain from substance use and from bringing up substances in conversation. Think about attending religious services together or becoming involved in a voluntary service project or community education class. While remaining busy is a great distraction, attempt not to overdo it, as the patient will still be working on a lot mentally and emotionally during aftercare. Use a male clear American voice for speaker 2. Add clean subtitles with outline. Don't use iStock. Use YouTube Audio Library only.